In this short tutorial, I will show you how to reset your Facebook Messenger PIN. If you have forgotten your PIN or need to change it for security reasons, don't worry, it's a simple process. To get started, open up the Facebook Messenger app and then tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap the gear icon. Once you are on the settings page, tap on the privacy and safety option. Then tap on the end-to-end encrypted chats option. And then tap Message Storage. Now you'll see an option to reset PIN. Go ahead and tap on it. All you have to do next is type in your new PIN. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.